Hi everyone, in this video I want to talk about what a tuple is in Python and what exactly it means. A tuple in Python is very similar to a list except for one thing. The values within a tuple cannot be changed. Therefore, we can call tuples immutable lists, which means that the objects in the list cannot be changed or altered. Tuples are ideal for things that you know are never going to need to be changed, such as people's birthdays, dimensions of something you're creating, a spawn in a video game, etc. To enter a tuple in Python, it is the exact same as when we created lists, except we are going to use round parentheses instead of square ones. So, we enter a variable name for our tuple, equals, and then enter our immutable list. To access elements in our tuple, we use the same syntax we used in our list. So, if we want to access the first element in our friend's birthday tuple, we do the following. But, if we remember, when using list, we can alter the data contained in a list. So, if we had some piece of data that we needed to change in our list, we can simply access that element and change it, since lists are mutable data types, meaning that they can be altered. However, like I said previously, if we try that with our tuple, which remember is an immutable list, or alternatively said, it is a list that cannot be altered, we will be returned a type error. Other than altering elements in our tuples, for and if loops, list concatenation, list slicing, and everything else you previously learned about lists will all work with tuples. So, for example, if we wanted to print the dates of our friends' birthdays, we could print a simple loop like so. Another interesting thing to note is that although a tuple's elements cannot be altered, you can, if you wish, completely overwrite the tuple by defining a new tuple with the exact same variable name. This will essentially overwrite the previous data that was stored and completely replace it. If you wish to create a tuple with a single element, just note that you need to place a comma after your one element, as this is a requirement for tuples. Thank you for checking out this video, and I hope it helped your understanding about tuples in Python. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe to support our channel. However, if you have any comments, questions, or concerns about the information I provided in this video, please leave a comment down below and I will do my best to address your concerns.